Wait, did that SUV just parallel park itself while making coffee?
What?
Just kidding, but the 2025 lineup of luxury SUVs might make you think we're living in the future. Ever wondered what happens when car manufacturers stop playing it safe and go all in on innovation? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into 5 game-changing SUVs that are about to hit the roads in 2025. Have you ever felt that choosing between luxury and practicality is like trying to pick your favorite child? The new Lexus GX550 says, why not both? Picture this. You're crawling over rocks in a vehicle that has both 33-inch tires and a panoramic sunroof that probably costs more than my first car. At $65,000, it's not cheap, but can you really put a price on feeling like $1,000,000 while conquering mountain trails? And here's a thought to ponder. What if luxury vehicles were actually built for adventure instead of just looking the part?
That's a great idea. I'm with that.
Speaking of breaking traditions, the Jeep Wagoneer S is about to shock the world. Literally. Remember when Jeep was all about gas-guzzling engines? Well, they've pulled a complete 180 with their first ever electric SUV. With a mind-blowing 325-mile range, this $71,000 beast answers the question we've all been asking. Can an electric SUV still be a real Jeep? Spoiler alert, yes, it can. But here's what keeps me up at night. Will traditional Jeep enthusiasts embrace this electric revolution, or will they stick to their fossil fuel guns? Now let's talk about the underdog story of 2025, the Volkswagen Taos. You know that friend who always gets more done while spending less? That's the Taos. At just over $25,000, yes, you heard that right, it's serving up 40 mpg and enough style to make luxury SUVs do a double take. But here's the real head scratcher. How does VW pack so much value into such an affordable package? And more importantly, why aren't other manufacturers following suit?
Answer me!
Remember when you had to choose between power and eco-friendliness? The Mazda CX-90 laughs at that notion. This hybrid beauty is like the straight-A student who's also captain of the football team. It excels at everything. Starting at $39,000, it's got a hybrid system that'll make your gas station lonely and an interior that'll make your living room jealous. Speaking of which, have you ever wondered why we don't design living rooms to look more like car interiors?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Last but definitely not least, the Nissan Armada is flexing hard with 425 horsepower because apparently regular horsepower wasn't enough. It's like they asked, what if we built an SUV that could tow your house? With an 8,500-pound towing capacity and a starting price of $60,000, it's the answer to a question nobody asked but everybody loves. But here's some food for thought. In a world pushing for sustainability, is there still a place for these magnificent beasts of burden? The automotive world is changing faster than a teenager's social media status, and these 5 SUVs are leading the charge into 2025. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an adventurer, or just someone who appreciates a good value, there's something here for everyone. And hey, if none of these catch your eye, you can always wait for that coffee-making, self-parking SUV. I hear it's coming in 2026. Just kidding. But wouldn't that be awesome?